Hello student, this is Ashish Tripathi from Mount Reta G School Jhansi, computer teacher. Today already we have completed 3 chapters from the book and I told you which chapter will come in the examination. First one is starting with Python, second one is starting with Python, second one is Python fundamental, third one is data handling, and from the fourth chapter only the programming that I told you: for loop, while loop, if condition. These all the programmings will come. No theory from the fourth chapter. Theory will come from chapter 1, 2 and 3. Now we should start. Let's first of all, you should be safe from the COVID-19 by staying safe at your home, and if it is not necessary, don't go outside of the home and be sanitized. Thank you. Now first of all, I want to tell you about the Python. Do you know, I told you in my previous video, Python is an interactive language. Python is an interpreter based language. Interpreter based means it will compile the program line by line, one by one it will compile the program. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपका पूरा प्रोग्राम एक ही बार में कंपाइल हो जाएगा. वन बार एक लाइन बाय लाइन इट विल कंपाइल. फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन, फोर्थ लाइन, फिफ्थ लाइन. सेकेंड थिंग कि पाइथन है लाइब्रेरी, गुड लाइब्रेरी, बहुत बढ़िया लाइब्रेरी, बट नॉट सो बिग. बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं करती, लेकिन एक फैसिलिटी और भी, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं जो इस लैंग्वेज को बाकी लैंग्वेज से डिफरेंट बनाती है. जैसे एक मैं बता सकता हूँ कि अगर इफ यू वांट टू इंटरचेंज थर्ड टू नंबर्स, so you have to take a third variable, then you can change. But Python says a comma b equal to b comma a. That means a की वैल्यू b में, b की वैल्यू a में. Another one is how to initialize the value. a comma b equal to 10 comma 20. That means a की वैल्यू 10, b की वैल्यू 20. ये आपका इस तरह से वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट की जा सकती है. इसके अलावा पाइथन में और भी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं. पाइथन के पल्सेस के बारे में मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ, पाइथन के माइनसेस के बारे में आपको बता चुका हूँ, हाउ टू वर्क. अच्छा, देयर इज वन मोर थिंग. कई पाइथन 2 प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करता है. एक एनाकोंडा प्लेटफॉर्म पे, लेकिन इफ यू आर स्टोरिंग द पाइथन ऑन एनाकोंडा प्लेटफॉर्म, इट विल टेक हाफ ऑफ योर रैम. आपके सिस्टम की रैम ले लेता, आधी से ज़्यादा रैम लेता, सिस्टम स्लो हो जाएगा. एंड second one is the Windows platform, in which if you are taking, it will work very nicely, जैसे कि Python में Anaconda में काम करता है. But when we are making the program using of web services using Python, तो उसके लिए much better है Anaconda platform. Python के आपको एडवांटेज तो मैं पिछले वीडियो में बता ही चुका हूँ. और I also told you what is the difference between interpreter and compiler. Now today I am telling how we are running the program in Python. Python, there are 2 modes. One is interactive mode and second one is the script mode. The interactive mode means whenever you will click in my अभी आगे जाकर के मैं बताऊंगा how to do it. Whenever you will click on Python ideally, it will, whatever the first screen will come, that is the interactive mode. It is the instant mode. Instant mode, whatever you will work, it will stay here only. कहीं जाके सेव नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. It is the interactive mode. 3 greater than sign will be there. File, edit, view, insert, debug options are there. So it is an interactive mode. Proves very powerful for testing code. You type the command one by one and get the result or error one by one. Means as it is, आप जैसे एरर्स देना चाहें, जैसे आप कमांड टाइप करेंगे वैसे आपके सामने आउटपुट आ जाएगा और जो भी एरर्स होंगे वो शो करेंगे. दैट इज द इंटरेक्टिव मोड, in which you whatever you will give, it will give. The interactive interpreter of Python is also called Python shell, या Python का shell भी कहलाता है. This is known as Python shell, on which as आप आंसर दो, as जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे वैसे आंसर आ जाएगा. And the second one is script mode, in which in the script mode, go in file, click on new, and then after you have to type the whole program. पूरा प्रोग्राम टाइप कीजिए. नाउ सेव द प्रोग्राम, मतलब यहाँ सब कुछ सेव होगा. Now save the program, then go and run the program. The output will come on shell mode. That is the interactive mode. Much better working. वैसे normally हम लोग shell mode में that is script mode में ही करते हैं. We are not working on interactive mode. Interactive mode, we are taking the output but in shell mode we are but in that script mode we are typing the program, we are doing all the program, we are saving the program. Okay, now I'm telling you how to do. Now you can see this is the laptop on which I am clicking on start, then starting with Python. This is the interactive mode. You can see this is the interactive mode here. File, edit, debug, shell, option, windows, whatever I am typing, whatever output I want, see interactively answer आ जाएगा. Print, Ashish. If you are typing print 90, आंसर भी एरर भी उसने हल कर दिया आपको. ओके, इफ यू आर टाइपिंग टाइप whatever you are typing, it is giving the instantly command. It is the interactive mode. Is it clear? Okay. Interactive mode आप यहीं पे interactive mode में आप programming नहीं कर सकते. In interactive mode you can't do the program, so you go in file. Now this is the script mode. Interactive mode instant mode भी कहलाता है, Python shell भी कहलाता है. This is the Python shell. Click on new. Start it. मैंने एक प्री प्रिपेयर प्रोग्राम ले लेता हूँ. मेरा प्री प्रिपेयर पूरा प्रोग्राम है आप टाइप करो. Here we can save the program. Here we can run the program. Whatever is the output is there, that way. Now run. First of all, we have to save the program. Save. Now run. We have to save the program, so I have saved the program. Yeah, you have to write the name. I have given 11th first program, FIRST first 11 dot py. Py up, if you are not putting the py, automatically it will take the extension py because it is a Python program. Run module and tell me. Again interactive mode में वापस आ गया, sorry skip interactive mode में वापस. You have given the name year 567, leap year, another name 789, general use, another name 456. Completed. So the program is completed. Now अब आपको वापस जाना पड़ेगा ऐसे क्लोज करके. बस ये कमी है, वापस अपने प्रोग्राम पे नहीं आएगा. You have to go. This is the. So what is the script mode? What is the interactive mode? Both are clear to you. See. File, format, ये सारे write it as. So both the modes are clear, interactive and shell mode. Thank you.